Hey guys, welcome back to Brainy Buddies. Today we are going to be solving these questions and finding out the solutions for each question. I will be also explaining the laws of exponents used in these questions and how to overcome these type of problems in math exams or in any exam and some tricks and tactics. So let's start with the first question. 4 power minus 3. Here they have asked us to simplify 4 power minus 3. We will be using this negative exponent law. A power minus n will give you 1 by a power n. So a power minus n will give you 1 by a power n. A is the base, minus n is the negative exponent. 4 is the base, minus 3 is the negative exponent in our first question. So this is nothing but 4 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 power 3. And now we got our answer, but we have to simplify it more. So 4 power 3 is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 64. So our answer will be 1 by 64. Now the second question. So in the second question we have minus 2 power 7. This seems tricky, but it's not. And I will tell you a trick. So whenever you have a negative base, okay, and if you have an odd exponent means what? Odd exponent means power 7, power 8, not power 8, but power 7, power 9, power 11. So that means negative base and odd exponent means your result will be negative. Answer will be negative. And if you have a negative base and an even exponent, so negative base and even exponent means minus 3 power 8, minus 2 power 6. So even exponents are nothing but even powers like power 8, power 6, power 10. So if you have negative base and even exponent, then your answer will be positive. Okay? And why? I will explain you. So before solving this question, I will explain. Negative base and odd exponent will give you negative solution. Let's see. Minus 2 power 3. That is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. I will explain very easy example so that you will get happily and easily. So minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Because these minuses will cancel out and become positive. And 4 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 8. So was these cancellations very unnecessary? This cancellation, was it unnecessary? Yes, it was very unnecessary. So if you see a negative exponent, minus 2 power 3, minus 3 power 5, minus 4 power 7, then you have to know that your answer will be negative. Okay, your answer will be negative. Now let's see another example. This is negative base and even exponent, which will give you positive. So let's take minus 2 power 2. That will give you minus 2 into minus 2 or minus 2 square. So minus minus will cancel out. It will become plus and will just give you 4 plus 4. So this is a very nice logic that will save you a lot of time without very unnecessary calculations. So the logic is that whenever you have a negative base or exponent, the answer will be negative. Your solution will be negative. And if you have a negative base and even exponent, your solution will be positive. Now let's see minus 2 power 7. Minus 2 power 7, it has a negative exponent. Okay, sorry, odd exponent, which means the answer will be negative. Now let's erase all these examples and start our solution for this question. Okay, so minus 2 power 7 is equal to minus What is 2 power 7? Let's see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this will give you 128. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64, and 64 into 2, 128. So that we calculated, and as it has a odd exponent and negative base, it will become minus 128. Okay, let's see third question. That is 3 by 4 power minus 3. Now, the base is a fraction. So if you have something like that, we will use this trick or this law. A by b power minus n will give you b by a power n. So that is nothing but you will take the reciprocal of this fraction and make it into a positive power. So 3 by 4 power minus 3, it will just become 4 by 3 power 3. And 4 by 3 power 3, we will use another law. What is that law? Let's see. So a by b power n. Okay, a by b power n will give you a by a power n by b power n. So this will give you 4 power 3 divided by 3 power 3. We know 4 power 3, it is 64. And what is 3 power 3? It is 3 into 3 into 3, which is nothing but 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. So 64 by 27 is our final answer. Now, fourth question. Fourth question is a very tricky one, and I will tell you how students get mistakes in these type of questions. Minus 3 power minus 4. Here both base and exponent is negative. So what we will do? We will have a law which is similar to a power minus n will give you 1 by a power n. Just like that, we will have minus a power minus n. This is just few tricks, okay? You don't have to learn these many laws, but this is very common to use in exams, and if you use, you will get very nice marks also. So minus a power minus n, that is nothing but 1 by minus a power n. So 1 by minus a power n means this base, when it goes into the fraction format, it will remain negative. It won't change into positive. Many students, what they'll do, minus 3 power minus 4, they will keep 1 by 3 power 4. They will lose their marks in the examination. So instead of keeping 1 by 3 power 4, you keep 1 by minus 3 power 4. And what is 1 by minus 3 power 4? It is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9 and 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81. And did you remember the trick I told you? Minus 3 power 4. Negative base even exponent will give you a positive solution. And look at our answer. We got a positive solution. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the solutions that I gave and how I explained. If you did enjoy this video, please like this video, share it with your friends, comment if you want any other problems solving or any other solutions or explanation of maths or science, and I will be very happy to take your suggestions and make a video. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please learn something new. See you in the next video. Bye bye.